If you're a health and safety professional with a wide range of experience but without a proper degree, or if you feel that your career growth in health and safety is getting hampered because of lack of degree or proper qualification, then through this video I'm going to give you a solution which can help you in attaining a master from a top ranked universities of the UK. Now, as an education consultant and a career coach, I coach many health and safety professionals in achieving the managerial and senior manager roles. But if I encounter any professional who is looking for the career growth, and if they don't have the proper degree or the proper diploma, then I do advise them about this regulated qualification. So this qualification which I am referring to you is OTHM level 6 diploma in health and safety. Now let's break down this qualification in detail. So in a brief, the level 6 diploma in health and safety is an off-call regulated qualification. So you might be wondering, what exactly is this off-call regulated qualification? So in a brief, Ofqual is a body based out of UK, and it is responsible for regulating qualifications, exams, vocational education and tests in England. And a regular qualification are often regarded as of the highest value, as a certificate for a regular qualification demonstrates that the learner has attained a qualification approved by both a UK regulator like Ofqual and recognized awarding bodies like OTHM. Now coming down to OTHM. So OTHM is an awarding body based out of UK, and it do offers regulate qualifications in management, engineering, social sciences and IT, and post completion of their qualifications the student can do the top up in their preferred domain from any of the universities of the UK. Now coming down to this qualification, that is the level 6 diploma, it is a bachelor's degree level or a graduate diploma level program designed for the people who has either the qualifications from other awarding bodies like NIBOSH or British Safety Council or any other awarding bodies, or for the people who doesn't have the qualifications but has a demonstrated work experience in health and safety. Now coming down to the program specific credits and the modules, so this program has altogether 60 credits. As I told you, it's at level 6, so that means post completion of this program the student can progress to level 7, and the student has to take altogether 7 modules, and the entire program can be completed in 4 to 6 months. Now the real beauty of this program is that it is IOSH, that is Institute of Safety and Health accredited. That means post completion of the program the student can apply for graduate IOSH, and subsequently post completion of few IDPs he can even become CM IOSH. Now CM IOSH or Chartered Member of Institute of Safety and Health is one of the most prestigious designation, and it will help the professionals in getting a lot of value advantage in job search. Now coming down to the second biggest advantage about this program is that this program makes you eligible for master's degree. So the pathway which any student can adopt is that post completion of this program they can apply for level 7 diploma or postgraduate diploma program in health and safety from the OTHM, and post completion of this program the student will attain 120 credits, and the remaining credits the student can do the top up by joining any university program in the health and safety, that is any MSc program in health and safety. Now to understand the master pathway about this program or the master program in UK in general, you need to understand the credit system of UK's master qualification. A master level qualification in UK is almost is of 180 credits, and the level 7 diploma in health and safety from OTHM offers 120 credits. Now the student can do the remaining 60 credits or can complete the remaining 60 credits by either completing few coursework or research work, or it could be any combination from any UK university if they are accepting their applications. Now coming to the last and the biggest advantage about this program is the time and as well as the money. Now any student or working professional going through this pathway can complete his masters from a good UK university in less than 2 years, and even if they don't have a bachelor's degree. And furthermore, the total investment for this entire program, it won't be more than 8 to 9,000 US dollar. Besides that, along with the masters, you will be graduating with the graduate IOSH memberships. So the entire qualifications gamut is like a complete package, and it will help you in becoming the complete health and safety professional. So if you are someone who is looking forward for career progression in health and safety and are looking for the right qualification, then my advice is to opt for this pathway, as this will help you in getting both academic qualification and as well as a professional recognition in the most affordable way. And if you need any other help about this program, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you're confused about your career progression and need a personalized consulting, then you can connect with our Setmatrix team for designing a customized career pathway plan. So guys, this is a brief about the level 6 diploma or the OTHM specific levels health and safety qualifications, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, do click the like button and do share your views in the comment section. And please do support me by my work by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. Stay blessed.